Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Leadpages for affiliate links, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Leadpages account and navigate to your dashboard. Select the landing page you wish to edit. Click on the edit button to open the page builder. Locate the section where you want to add your affiliate link. If you need to add a new text element, drag and drop a text block from the sidebar. Click on the text block to begin editing. Type in the text that will serve as your affiliate link. Highlight the text that you want to link. Look for the chain link icon in the text editing toolbar. Click on the chain link icon to open the link settings. In the URL field, paste your affiliate link. Ensure that the Open in New tab option is selected if preferred. Click Save to apply the changes to the link. Preview your landing page to confirm that the link is working correctly. If everything looks good, click the Publish button to make your changes live. Test the published affiliate link on your live page to ensure functionality. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.